In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trade Assistant for Metatrader 5. We'll walk through downloading the Trade Assistant Expert Advisor and making sure it shows up correctly inside Metatrader 5. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Metatrader 5 Expert Advisor Trade Assistant. Look for a reputable official source before you click through. A trustworthy listing will clearly state that it's compatible with Metatrader 5 and usually provides a description, screenshots, and version details. Once you've found the correct page, open it and locate the download button. Click download and save the file to a place you can easily find, like your downloads folder. The file you get is typically .ex5 or .mq4 if MT5. If the download comes as a compressed archive, unzip it first so you can access the actual Expert Advisor file. Now, switch over to Metatrader 5. At the top left, click the File menu, then select Open Data Folder. This opens the installation directory that MT5 reads from. Inside that window, open the MQL5 folder. This is where Metatrader stores indicators, scripts, and expert advisors. Next, open the Experts folder. This is the critical location for installing EAs. Paste the Trade Assistant file you downloaded into this Experts folder. Placing the file here ensures Metatrader 5 can recognize it as an expert advisor the next time it refreshes its list. Return to the Metatrader 5 terminal. On the left side in the Navigator panel, find Expert Advisors. Click it to view the list. After a moment, you should see Trade Assistant appear among your available EAs. If you just pasted the file, give the platform a second to index it. Seeing it under Expert Advisors confirms the installation path was correct and that Metatrader 5 can load the file. If the file doesn't appear, double-check that you placed it in MQL5, then Experts, and that the file extension is appropriate for MT5. That's the entire process from download to installation. To recap the flow, download the correct Trade Assistant file from a reliable source, open Metatrader 5's data directory, place the file in MQL5, then Experts, and return to MT5 to view it under Expert Advisors. Keep your platform updated and only install EAs you trust, as third-party files can affect your trading environment. With Trade Assistant now visible in the Navigator, you're set to move forward and use it according to your trading plan and risk settings. Thanks for watching, and take your time with each step to keep your setup clean and secure.